So today what we're doing is on the back of these crowns, the back window is steel, that emergency exit, and it has got some rust on, and rather than leaving it, what we're going to do is take it off today and deal with it. So there's going to be a few clips, a little bit here and there of that process. Already put some lubricating fluid on. However, we've already had one nut shear off the hinge, so we will be doing some repairs to get that back on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one's sheared. Lube this one up a bit more. It's starting to move, and the other two are also on the way now. So it's just gently. They've been on a long time. We'll see what it's all like. Catching a bit. So one came off fine, and the other three have sheared off, and they are quite rotten on the inside, so they would have needed dressing, so we'll be doing that today. Okay, so the window, the door is out, and as you can see, no rust whatsoever around the frame, just the flecks that have fallen on the parcel shelf. Yeah, happy with that. As for the door, so I've got it on the makeshift bench, and the worst area is in the corner here where it's got a drain hole. Pretty much ran across the bottom of the door while it's stationary. So we're getting all this off, repairing, and we're going with to give it a bit more once we've etch primed. I believe we're going to go with a Raptor, a grey similar to the carpet, and that should protect that on the inside from the damp. Seal's probably going to need replacing because that rubber looks really squished. May have been why it got the water in there. Three of the nuts sheared, so we're knocking those through and replacing them. So that's where we're at the moment. And just a quick view of how it looks without the window in. Some crowns, I believe older versions, have a full window like that. In some Gillies, which is a very similar looking vehicle in the States. A slight repair to where the rust was. Fresh hole. Fresh steel. Okay, so that's now dried. I moved it just in case it rained, which we didn't want. But yeah, that is. Needs refitting. And from inside. Put the camera back in place. Happy days.